What's going on, YouTube? It's Dewey, and I'm here in the shop right now. It's one evening, probably about 10 o'clock at night, and trying to do a little work on the MiG 17. This is a CARF 1/3 scale by 7 MiG 17, and I did a previous video before with my friend Barry, but Barry Hall, he actually put the airplane together for me. I bought this airplane on Facebook Marketplace. Long story short, this is an extra kit that was bought because the airplane was specially custom built. It was damaged in shipping, and anyway, the owner didn't want it and didn't want to put it together. And with that being said, my buddy knew about it on Facebook Marketplace. I ended up buying it because I was interested in this airplane. It's not painted, and as you can see, this is 1611 Randy Ball out of like Dallas area. He is in the air show circuit flying a MiG 17, so I wanted to try to document an airplane that's fairly easy to document, and this is it. And I'm going to try to paint it pretty close to what his is. But Barry, he's above and beyond on everything. So he finished the airplane. He delivered it to me from Michigan, and he gave me this book here. I'm not sure how many people get books that, you know, to support the project that you have. He has everything here. He has price lists of stuff that he had to buy. He has notes, notes, comments, reminders, and to-do list. Manuals on everything. He has everything programmed for the radio. We had to pretty much, make up our own programming and everything. So he got to play with that. You can see I'm using an IX20 Spectrum. For the guidance. I have a Synapse receiver, but everything here is notes for me to look at. Here's the landing gear, the light manuals, everything. It's pretty amazing that he spent all this time to do this. So as I'm flipping through, you can see here. We did have to replace the afterburner ring, and it's kind of nice in some sense. The afterburner ring is it's actually a newer model, so it looks a little nicer and everything. You can see all the panel lines, rivets. Andreas, man, they did a phenomenal job scaling this airplane out. But they've always done this. I mean, I've been flying models for a long time, and they would have extra 300s and different jets and different things, and it's just always kind of real nice processes that they use. Only thing I really don't, it scares me, I can't say I don't like it, it scares me. I could break these wing fences fairly easy. So just trying to ship an airplane, this airplane with those wing fences, they're permanently attached. Barry had to install the landing gear. He did all that, and as you can see here, I'm putting the masking on. I had this cut by Cali Graphics, and there's going to be a white base coat, and then the star, after it dries, I'll put this on, and this would be red. And then what it should look like is this right here. So this is the damaged airplane, and afterwards, hopefully I can weather the airplane. I really like the weathering job that was done on this airplane. But this airplane was severely damaged. I have all the manuals and books, but yeah, you can see like this wing fence is done. Whatever they did, they punctured through the wing here. Pretty bad stuff. Look at the front fuselage there. So yeah, my workshop's a wreck. I got a engine here, Continental. This is a W670. I don't know, it's probably 10 or 15 years ago when it was on the airplane, but I have a 1930 D25 New Standard that was on it, I think, 2 engines ago. So but I'm running a Continental 220, and two of my airplanes have the same engine, so I have a couple of those. You can see I went ahead and placed all the stars where I wanted them. I have the numbers on the front. The only thing I have to do is tape off the red bands here. And then what I've done here also, since the airplane was already painted in silver, I have scuffed up the area here, and now I'm going to paint the white. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm over here playing with this, trying to get ready to shoot some paint. Hopefully I can make it look pretty presentable here in the next month or so, and hopefully get it flying. But anyway, this is the CARF Mig 17, and we will talk to you guys all later.